to stand on the side of humanity. Now or never. This is the moment for everyone who still defends the atrocities committed by the State of Israel in Palestine to prove that there remains, somewhere inside, I hope, a spark of humanity. Sure, I welcome Trump's ceasefire plan, but only barely, and only because it is less grotesque than the so-called Middle Eastern Riviera plan that he had. And also, let's be honest, plans alone do not bring justice. Words do not stop bombs, speeches do not feed starving children. The international community has failed to act when it mattered most, so it must not fail now with holding Israel accountable. So I say again, colleagues, now or never. Let us prove that we are not just commentators or just witnesses to tragedy, to a genocide. Now or never to stand on the side of humanity. Thank you.